Hello to you and thanks for being with us today for Spotlight Carolina. I'm Mark Cady. What if studying your DNA could give you insight to your own health and wellness? ÜFORIA Science is a leader when it comes to studying DNA and how it can impact people's health and also how to improve that. And joining us here today, we have Dr. Jerome Dixon and Joel Guerin. Guys, thanks so much for being with us today.
Thanks for having us.
You know, ÜFORIA Science, like I said, is a leader when it comes to studying DNA and helping people's health. Can you really target people's health needs?
Absolutely. We've determined over the years, obviously, we know people are different. We're now finding out a lot of the facts about why they're different, and a lot of that's in our genetics. But we've also found that there's variants on people's genes, and the variants mean that your nutritional needs are going to be different from somebody else's. Mm-hmm. And so we actually customize a product that's literally made for a specific person's body based on their genetic panel.
And that's got to be exciting for so many people to, you know, I know people who think they just have bad genes, but to be able to help supplement, that's got to be a very special thing. Does this change a person's genetics, Dr. Dixon?
No, we're not actually changing anybody's genetics. We're looking at their genetics and how we can supplement it for that expression. You know, some of our genes is our hair color, our eye color, but these are genes that have to do with our biochemistry, and we can support that biochemistry in a way that will allow the person's cells to be healthier. And if their cells are healthier, their whole body is healthier.
I know people like to protect their privacy, and now online, you know, privacy is certainly a thing. I think DNA privacy will be something coming down the road as well. Is my DNA information, my genetic information safe?
Absolutely. When your swab goes to the lab, it's only identified by a random barcode. There's no way anybody can know whose genes are whose. But the program itself is also HIPAA compliant. HIPAA is the federal regulation that governs the confidentiality of people's data. So it's very safe unless they actually decide themselves to share it with somebody.
Dr. Dixon, if somebody's already on maybe prescribed medication or maybe they're already taking supplements, how does this factor in? What are your recommendations?
Yeah, that's a really good, this is designer nutrition, and everything in it is as a nutritional product that is generally safe for the public. We try to make sure that it's hypoallergenic in every way. But we always recommend that if you're taking any supplements, you should let your physician know and let them guide you through that maze, because sometimes there are drug-nutrient interactions that your physician needs to know about.
How do you see ÜFORIA Science sort of shaping the future of health and wellness?
I think this is the future of health and wellness. This is 21st century nutrition. You know, I've lived long enough to know what it was going to be like in the 21st century, and now we're here. And this is exciting because this is going to change everybody's health and wellness program.
It's got to be exciting for so many people. Like I said at the top, you know, I have friends who think they just have bad genes, but a lot of times supplements and these kind of things can help them.
Absolutely.
And really all we're
Absolutely.
trying to do is help people live better lives. That's a lot of great information you guys have shared today. Thank you so much.
Thanks.
For more information on ÜFORIA Science, if this is a product that's right for you, the information is right here on your screen. Gentlemen, thanks for joining us today.
Thank you.
And thank you for joining us here today at Spotlight Carolina.